Hello students, welcome back to online classes. I am your facilitator M. Shiva Kumar. In last class we have seen problem number 8. I have skipped problem number 9. You have to do the problem number 9. If you got any doubt, you ask me. Text me, message me, or comment in YouTube or in my channel. Post in my channel. In this class we'll discuss problem number 10. In problem number 10 it states that in triangle PQR, right angled at Q, side PR plus QR, side PR plus side QR equals to 25 centimeters and PQ equals to 5 centimeters. Determine the values of sin P, trigonometric ratio sin P, cos P and tan P. So we need to find out the basic trigonometric ratios, sin, cos and tan. So let's draw the diagram of right angle triangle, which is right angled at Q. So let's draw it. So it is right angled at Q. It is given that PQ is 5 centimeters. So let's assume this is right angle triangle, and so we'll determine the values from this side P. So we'll assume this P, and PQ is 5 centimeters, and the value of PR, which is hypotenuse, and QR, which is the perpendicular. So it is given that here, solution, it is given that PR plus QR equals to 25. So let us assume PR equals to x centimeter. Then if we substitute this PR in this equation, then x plus QR equals to 25 and QR equals to 25 minus x centimeters. So if you find out x, the value of PR hypotenuse, so if you find out hypotenuse, the other side, two sides can be easily found out. Okay, so let's start. Let's write down the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem states that opposite square plus adjacent square equals to hypotenuse square. Here with respect to angle P, opposite is QR square plus adjacent is phi, opposite is QR, opposite adjacent is QP or PQ, PQ square equals to hypotenuse is RP square, so PR square. So from this substitute the value of QR. QR is 25 minus x square plus PQ is 5 centimeters, so 5 square. PR is, we don't know, we have written PR as x, so x square. So this 25 minus x is in the form of a minus b whole square. So if we write down this, we write 25 square plus x square minus 2 into 25, 50 into x is x, plus 5 is 25 equals to x square. Okay, now here it is plus x, here it is plus x, so we can cancel out this plus x and that plus x. So we write this as, so here I'll write it as, so we can write it as 25 square is 625 plus x square minus 50x plus 25 equal to x square. So x square cancel. We'll add these two constants. 625 plus 25 is 650. We'll bring this minus 50 onto the RHS side. So when RHS minus 50x comes to RHS, it will become plus. So we'll write it as 650 equals to 50x. Therefore, when we divide x on both sides, or divide 50 on both sides, we'll get x equals to 650 by 50. So 0, 0 cancel. 5 13s are 65. Therefore, the value of x is 65 centimeters. Now, if you substitute this in QR equals to 25 minus x. 25 minus x is 13. Sorry. X is 13. So 25 minus 13 is 12. And PR is x. Now here the value of x is 13. So we'll get the side values as QR. This Q, this R is 12. PR is 13. Obviously this is correct because hypotenuse side is greater than opposite plus adjacent. Correct. Pythagoras theorem is proved. Now we got the value of opposite, we got the value of adjacent, we got the value of hypotenuse. Now let's find out the trigonometric ratios. We need to find out only 3 trigonometric ratios. One is sin P, second one is cos P, third one is tan P. They are all basic or fundamental ratios, trigonometric ratios. Sin P is opposite by adjacent, cos is, hypotenuse, cos is adjacent by hypotenuse, tan is opposite by adjacent. Opposite by hypotenuse, opposite is QR, hypotenuse is PR, adjacent is QP, hypotenuse is PR, opposite is QR, adjacent is QP. That equals to QR is 12, PR is 13. So 12 by 13. QP is 5, PR is 13. So 5 by 13. The last one, QR by PR. QR is 12, PR is 13. QP is 5. 12 by 5. Hence proved. If you got any doubt, you can ask me, students. Thank you.